Greetings everyone. I hope you are well. I'm still Mr. Matonzi. We are going to continue from where we left off on the other video. Okay, so I eventually just gave you some homework as an example. Hopefully you tried to go through the example, but then I'm going to continue and I'm going to continue from where we left off. Let me open another page. I'm going to continue from where we left off on the last time. Okay, so we will be doing examples today on this video. Not today, on this video we'll be doing maybe 2, maybe 3, 4 examples, and then we go to the other next theorem. So on this example, on this question, we are given that in triangle ABC, AB is parallel to FD. As you can see, AB, this one is parallel to this one, and then also they're saying that AF is parallel to DE, which means this one is parallel to that one. That's why I'm trying to rewrite to just color so that you can see what they're trying to say. And then they're saying FE is to EC. FE is to EC, which is 3 is equals to 4, meaning the ratio is 3 is equals the ratio is 3 is to 4. Then determine E and F. Okay, what you should note that they're saying that what we are given. Okay, let's write basically what we are given, but then you can write what we are given. We are given this is the statement. Now we don't have to write what we are given because already I have it here. Okay, and now note that they're saying, I want to emphasize this statement. They're saying what? FE is to AC is equals to 3 is to 4. Okay, this does not mean I'm trying to explain this so that you can get it. Does not mean that FE is equals to, let me try, yes, so that you can fit. Okay, yeah, I can. FE doesn't mean that FE is equals to 3 and then what? EC is equals to 4. No, it doesn't mean that. Okay, it means I'm trying to write it so that you guys can see. It means that for any, you can put it either X, you can put any variable, but then in this case we can try and put maybe A or maybe X or maybe okay, let's just put A so that we can try and run away from X because we always solve for X. So let's try and write another letter which is A. Okay, so that means for any A we can say that for any A we can say FE is equals to 3A, and also what? EC is equals to 4A. This is what basically they're saying. Okay, because this, it can be what? It can be 12. It can be, for example, okay, let me just maybe continue, which means for every this, or else you can still write it, read it as this. Let me choose another color so that I can write here. That it means for every 3 of A. in FE, and also what there is 4 of A in EC. Mind you, this A is an unknown number, it's an unknown value. Okay, what am I trying to say here? Basically, this doesn't mean that is 3. This doesn't mean that is 4. Take as a note, mind you, now we know as mathematician, we know that 12 over 6, it can also be written as what? It can be written as what? As just check the lowest number that can fit in both two numbers, which is 3. How many times does 3 goes to 12? It goes 4 times, and then here it goes what? 3 times. So it might happen that in this case we really don't know that the distance, the displacement, or the distance between FE, what is it? So basically I'm trying to put here, it can be 10 over, for example, 20. We can rewrite this as what? As 1 over 2. So that's what basically we're trying to mean, that this doesn't mean, it does not mean that FE is equals to 12. So you should take a note of that one. So please, I'm trying to emphasize this because most of the time you're going to be using the ratios. Okay, let's now and try and write what we are given. Okay, let's try and solve this issue. So basically now we are given two. If we can maybe how can I put it? We are trying to work these two triangles in a different manner. Mind you, now we are having two triangles. We can take this triangle. We are going to first focus on it. Okay? So basically, let me just crash these blue ones, okay, so that you can all see. Yeah, let me just write here. It was what? Oh, it was 3 and 4. Okay, let me write in a blue pen, which is 3 is to 4. Yes. So please follow. We are going to be dealing with this, the one which I'm highlighting now, as we are going to be taking it. This is the first one. Okay, the first we can see that this is parallel. Okay, and then also on the second one, the second triangle, we will be doing with this whole, and this one. This is the one which is parallel to that one. So basically you can see that there are two triangles here. Okay, so let me show you what basically I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to imply here. This I also just have this the drawing which I'm trying to emphasize here. Yes, which is, this is the one. Okay, yes. So this is what we are meaning. As you can see, the first one, this first one is this is triangle what? ACF, and then this is triangle ABC. Okay, so basically we're just dissecting what? This big triangle into two triangles. Okay, so but then if you need more clarity, don't hesitate to text me. Okay, so now we clearly have these two triangles. Okay, we just separated two triangles, and then now we say in triangle. Basically you need to specify which triangle I'm talking about. ACF, This means we are talking about this first one. Okay. Then now we're saying, you clearly know that AD over what? DC is equals to FE over EC. We are saying AD, this AD over DC is equals to FE over EC. And then you don't have to forget the reason. Now the reason is what? AF. I told you on the other video on how to write the what do you call these reasons, okay? Because they have a mark, DE, and then the proportional theorem. We can continue, okay? So basically now you only have 2 marks. This is the one, and also that's it. So it contains a lot of marks, so can say the proportional intercept theorem, okay? Then now let's go to the other one. We are done with this one. Let's go to the second triangle. Therefore, in triangle ABC, okay? Triangle ABC, which is the one, we are going to say what? AD over DC is equals to BF over FC. The same. Then we are saying what now? Which ones are parallel? Which is AD is parallel to what? To FD. Proportional theorem. Okay. I'm trying so that you can a bit understand. That's why I'm trying to be slow as much as I can, so that you can get it. Okay. Then now, if we can check, let's check here. Do you notice that this one and this one, they are equal? Okay. As you can see, it means AD and this one, since they are equal, it means what? These two, they are also what? They are also equal. Meaning that I can write to say FE over CE is equals to BF over FC. Okay, and then you can just tell them that both are equals to what? AD over DC. Okay, because you can see, we can clearly see that at this point. Okay, but then if you remember from this point, now I said, now this is, we have to take note of that, meaning that what I was trying to say now, as I said that here they said is 3:4. Okay, 3:4. It doesn't mean this is what 3:4, meaning that this is what? This is 3A and then 4A. Do you still remember? Okay, then meaning that you are going to be replacing the values. Okay, then now remember, what do we have? We were given that. Let me write it with the blue one this time. Okay, we were given that F is it? Let me write. Okay, FE. We given that it was 3, and then we said we don't know that there should be a variable which can be 3A, and then also what? FC which is equals to 4A. Okay, but then here we have what? Here now, basically now we have FC let me try and FC, this is the distance from here to here. Basically there was 3a here and then 4a here. It means we are adding them to be what? 7a. It means what now? Both when we're adding, then we're having what? FC to be what? 7a. Okay, so then already we have what? We have these we have what? We have that. So basically we can try and substitute and get the unknown value. Okay, and then now we are having what? We are substituting. Fe is what? Is 3a divided by Ce is what? Am I correct? No, here I made a mistake, which is FC. Sorry, so pardon me for that, please pardon me for that, meaning this okay, yes, meaning I'm okay, there was no problem. No, the problem is here when I was writing this, which is here, it's EC, not FC, not FC, which is EC. Okay, sorry about that. You can still rewrite them as CE or same, that the same. Okay. Then now I made a mistake between this and also this. Okay. So now they are correct, which is EC. And then EC or CE is what? Is 4A, which is equals to, we don't know the value of BF. We are going to say BF over our FC, the distance between F and C is what? Is 7A. Okay. Then now we know that this we clearly know that Fe, as we said, is equals to 3A, and then CE is 4A, and then BF is an unknown distance or unknown value, and then FC is 7A. Okay, and then now let's cross multiply. We are going to be having what? 4A multiplied by BF, which is equals to when we are cross multiplying, 3 times 7 is 21A squared. Okay, let's divide by 4A, divide by 4A. So basically BF is equals to 21A over 4. Okay, so let's take a note of what? Of this. Okay, then now let's come here. We clearly know that BF is this one. No, let me not use that one so that it can be so simple. We are saying let's come and take what? This one, BF, this BF. We have what? BF now, and what? This one is 3 and this one is what? Is 4. Meaning that let's take what? Yes, we can take what? We can take this one, because now we clearly know that EC is 4A. Okay, and then this BF we know it. Okay, let's take, because now we are using this triangle where these ones, both of them, they are what? They are parallel, and this one, no, which meaning, okay, let me not use it so that we can, guys, you can see. Let me use this one so that others can see. I'm saying, since this one is parallel to this one, we have, mind you, we know that this is the same. Mind you, now they are combined, so we can take this one and also what? That one. Basically, I'm trying to say, we are going to say BF over sorry, not BF. I don't want to write it. Okay, yeah, I'm saying that EC over BF is equals to, although mind you now we have what, this value of BF, EC is what, is 4 over 21A over 4. Okay, let me just write it on the next page. I'm saying we have what, BF is equals to 21A over 4. Okay, since now they are both combined, and we know we have learned about the triangles having the same base before. Now we are saying, because now we have to check what this base and also that one. We are taking which one? That one, which is I'm trying to check this number, which is E and C. Okay, we are saying, and then now EC over BF is equals to, what is our EC? Our EC is 4. Okay, our EC is 4A, and therefore divide by, okay, divide by, and then BF is 21A over 4. So let's rewrite this number. This one is 4A divide by 21A over 4. So we can still rewrite this. This is algebra. We're taking this one, which is equals to what? Mind you, this one is over 1. So we have to transpose this one. Therefore, we are going to have 4A over 1 multiplied by 4 over 21A. And therefore, this A and this A will cancel each other. And then now 4 times 4, it will be 16. 1 times 21, it will be 21. Basically, now this value, this EC, we are having EC over BF is the same as what? 16 is to 21. Or we can write it as, therefore, EC is to BF is equals to 16 is to 21. Okay, then now we get the answer, because the question was, we're determining the value of, we're determining this, we were asked to what? To determine that. Okay, as I can confirm to you from this point, from this question, that we were told to determine what? We were told, sorry, yes, as you can see, that we were told to determine what? This EC is to what? Is to BF, meaning we are told that what? This one, EC and what? And BF. Already we had this one as 4A, and we tried to calculate this one and that one. I hope I've made myself clear on that one. Okay, so now we can go to our second example, which is, I'm going to take this one. I hope everyone understood me, and if you know that you have a problem, please tell me. I will try and redo what or try and explain what we did. So in this triangle, we are given that in this triangle we are given in the diagram, RF is parallel, this one is parallel to what? KG, which is the whole base, KG, and then ED is parallel to what? To HK, okay, and then R, this is what we are given, and then RH is 3, units. Okay, basically now we are not told that this is a ratio. We are told that this is a number. Basically this is a number. Then now these are units. We are not going to be writing 3a or whatever as the previous example. We are told that this is the value of the distance between r and h, and then RK is 9 units, and then HF or FH is 2 units, and then now this is the ratio. Now there comes the ratio, which means GE is to EK is equals to 1 is to 3. And then the questions are calculate with stating the reasons, the length of FG and FD. Okay, so now on this one I'm going to use 2 ways. Okay, so now we are saying this. Okay, let's maybe okay 4.1. okay, because on this question this example was 4.1. so now in triangle already we have what we are given here, but then when we are writing in the book we should make sure that we are writing what we are given. In triangle, let's try and focus what H, K and G. H, K and G. Mind you, we want what FG. FG is this one, FG. So we want to try and focus on what? On that one. Okay, we're trying to focus on that one. This one is one of the easiest one. We're going to say in triangle HKG. Okay, we are saying what? R. We are going to say R. Still the same. We can still say H R over R K, which is equals to HF over FG. Then the reason is what? You can still say the line sign. The line is parallel to the line parallel on one side of a triangle, and then you state what the ones which are parallel. Or you can still say, let me use the other reason, because at first we were saying maybe RF is parallel to what? KG, and then proportional theorem. That's what we said. But then now you can still say the line parallel one side of a triangle, and then you state what? You state those ones which are parallel, which is what? RF and KG. These are it's either you write this one or you write the second one, but then this is the same thing. Okay, and then HR is 3 units over KR is what? It's 9 units, and then this is equals to HF is 2 over FG. This is what we are looking for, FG. Okay, then I'm cross multiplying 3. FG is equals to 18. Therefore divide by 3. FG is equals to 3 divided by 18 is 6, meaning that this is what? 6 units. Okay, I hope I've made myself clear. Or you could have also written as taking what? FG over HF is equals to RK. K over HR. Even if you can use this one, you're going to get the same answer, which is what? Which is 6 units. Okay? Yes. If you just substitute it, you can get what? The same values, which is 6, the same value, which is 6 units. Okay? Then now, let's go to 4.2. Okay, then sorry. 4.2. We are saying 4.2. 4.2, they're saying what? Get FD. Now, where's our FD? FD is this one. FD. This is the one. Okay? That's the one. That's our FD. So we really need to come and play around what this form of proportionality. Okay, we really need to go around and play on this proportionality. Okay, so now how about when we say we really need to, how can I put it? Okay, let me just say, okay, I will explain some of the things. Let me just say F, mind you, sorry, not F. This whatever you're doing has to correspond with the sides of the triangles on in our case. I will say rather in our case. Okay. Now we are saying F. We are saying GD over GH is equals to GE over GK. Let's check. I'm saying GD, this GD over GH is equals to GE over G, this one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write the whole triangle, which meaning I had, sorry for that, pardon me for that, which is triangle in triangle K. Oh, let me rewrite here as it was here. But of course, but I just return it here. It's fine. It's okay. Which is triangle H, K, and G. Triangle H, K, G. But then as I wrote it here, it was fine because I also had to write it here. Okay. Then now, as you can see, we are having one. This is what is our GE over GK. GE is 1. We are given that it was what? 1 unit. Yes, it's here. It's 1 millimeter, 1 meter. 1 meter. But then the other ones are units. Wow, I didn't see that coming. But then okay, let's not mind that. And then our GK is what? Is 3. Oh, sorry, it's not 3. Basically, it's 4 because GK is the distance from G and K, which means we're adding the 2, and then we'll be having what? 4 on that case. Okay. Then we were told to get what? GD. This means that we can say GD over GH is equals to 1 over 4, because this is, we can replace what? That side. And then we need what? GD in order to, we need what? GD. So that we can subtract what? We know this distance. We clearly the idea now is to get this distance, because this one we already know it. And if we get this distance, we can subtract what? This distance, and then we get what? The distance, the whole of ft. And then now we need what? dg or gt. Then let's cross multiply. We are going to have what? gt as what? 1 over 4 gh, or is equals to gh over 4. Okay, gh. Okay, then now this is our gt, and then we have what? Our gh. Okay, let me just write that here on this little space, because I'm already done with this example. We have what? gd is equals to 1 over 4 gh. Okay, then now what we have is gh okay. My device has a low battery, I'm sorry for that. Okay, we let me make it so that let me clean our diagram so that guys we can also see what we are talking about. Okay, so now we can get, using this what we used before, we can get we got the distance. What we used before, we got the distance from what? From F to G, and we got that it was 6. As from here it's 6, and then we're saying this 6 from F and G plus this H and F, which gives what? It gives that these two, the distance from H and G is equals to what? Is equals to 8 units. I hope I'm clear. Let me repeat it. Let me repeat myself. Okay. Let me just erase this. Okay. Using from the first step we did, we used theorem number 1, the proportional theorem, because this one is parallel to this one. We used to get what? The distance of FG. FG is 6, isn't it? And then we have plus 2, because we are needing that the distance of FG or HG, not FG. It's HG. So HG is 6 plus 2, which is 8, meaning that HG is equals to 8. So we need what? GD. We now say GD is equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by 8. This is equals to 8 divided by 4, which is equals to 2. Then now we are saying that GD, this GD now, we are saying now this GD is equals to 2. Okay, and now we know that the distance from here to here is equals to what? 8. It means that now this distance we are going to say, or you can still say that FH, you can add them. You say 8 minus 2 minus 2 minus this one, you will get what? The answer. Or we can say now, we know that FG is equals to 6. This is FG. The whole of what? This. The whole of FG is equals to 6. Meaning that say CFG is equals to what? FD plus what? DG. And then we're looking for FD. And then FD is equals to what? FG minus DG. Our FG is equals to what? Is equals to 6 minus GD or DG is equals to minus 2. And then our FD which is equals to 2. Okay, meaning that now we have got that this is what? This is 2. This is 2. Oh, sorry, this is not 2. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of this other 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I was thinking about this 2. Okay, meaning that now what we have is 2 here, and then we have what? 4 there. It means now that distance there. Pardon me for this mistake at the last. Okay, I was in the hurry of writing here. So now we clearly know that we have already covered some examples. I can also, I'm going to send some questions, so you can go to the Siavula textbook and play around those, which is the exercise which I gave you on this here, on this page. On this page, so please, on Siavula homework, the homework which is 322, Siavula exercise number 8, play around those examples. I will meet you on the next video. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.